Tired of traditional bill pay systems? In this video, I'll show you how you can use Crypto.com and your Crypto.com Visa card to manage your regular bills. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While you can't pay bills directly with cryptocurrency through most billers, your Crypto.com ecosystem gives you powerful alternatives. The simplest method is using your Crypto.com Visa card for bill payments wherever credit cards are accepted. Many utility companies, insurance providers, and subscription services accept card payments. Simply add your Crypto.com Visa card as a payment method on the biller's website or app. You'll earn cashback in CRO on every eligible payment. For bills that require bank transfers, you can withdraw USD from your Crypto.com fiat wallet to your bank account, then pay as usual. Some third-party services also allow crypto bill payments for a fee. A crucial pro tip: maximize your rewards by using your Crypto.com Visa card for all possible bill payments. The cashback can add up significantly over time. Just ensure you maintain sufficient balance on your card and be aware of any processing fees the biller may charge for card payments. And just like that, you're integrating crypto rewards into your everyday financial life. Paying bills with Crypto.com turns necessary expenses into earning opportunities. Which bills do you pay with your Crypto.com card? Share your strategy in the comments. For cash access, subscribe for our next video on how to use Crypto.com at ATM. Thanks for watching.